Releasing dopamine, dopamine.
What's up, guys? Boys and coming in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, are we there with another? But as usual, guys, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it really help out your Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway, peeps, yo, hear me a say, yo, enough how now watch the video and don't subscribe and like the video and subscribe and turn on the notification bell because it really help me. Thank you. All right, peeps, we'll kick off the first video now. Ready up.
Never mind the cameras.
Say yes. Huh?
Oh! Alright, peeps, next video now.
Bruh.
Smartest police that in the world. First of all, won't I do a graveyard in the night? Them have black origin, them have black jeans. They did the right thing.
Run.
Ready.
Hit that beat! Hit that beat!
Oh!
Yo! 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 Yo!
Tomorrow morning a beer doctor visit. Every man sick. Well, that did from those still. That did look cool, but we not do it. Peeps, next video now.
Gaza Jackson, big bomber club, bad man. Did you see what I done? Born as a black man, died as a white one. I'm just a yardie, might do the moonwalk, fuck up the party. Dangle me baby, out to the window, pass me the indoor. Ganja. Can't talk fleeky, we stay fleeky. But the feds wanna take me away. Cause I have a few youths in my room. They want chillin' on me playground. Then when they go home, they ball to the feds real soon. Me say Satan, not today.
Another hit. Hot shit.
Yo!
Gaza Jackson, big bomber club, bad man. Did you see what I done? Born as a black man, died as a white one. I'm just a yardie, might do the moonwalk, fuck up the party. Dangle me baby, out to the window, pass me the indoor. Ganja. Can't talk fleeky, we stay fleeky. But the feds wanna take me away. Cause I have a few youths in my room. They want chillin' on me playground. Then when they go home, they ball to the feds real soon. Me say Satan, not today. Me pay up, me liar like boom. What you say? Prince one war with whom? Must say want me lick him in the head with a broom. Don't fuck with me. Did you see what I done? Born as a black man, died as a white one. I'm just a yardie, might do the moonwalk, fuck up the party. Dangle me baby, out to the window, pass me the indoor. Ganja. Can't talk fleeky, we stay fleeky. Don't fuck with me. You're a pussy cloud, a little pussy cloud, yeah.
Not bad! I don't want to swat this ever.
Me not put it on now, after girl. Hold on then now. Girl, come sit down, hold on. Goody come sit down and do and well the nails. And then she a beg for the nails. Cut them off. Out harder. You too out harder and bright, me I'll put you up. Welcome come do fingernail and I no money. But I beg, she a beg. Cut them off, you too blood clot bright.
You coming at the place.
Man, them will have a f*** on if you make them go no money, cause no young.
for hours and wait to get your nail done. Then when the woman done do the nail after she attend to you after you've been waiting so long. And when the woman done and put in all of the work, you tell the woman say, I beg. You beg.
Oh!
Really? And she be her face with it to look how she look like she never business. How for that? Look how she young. Are you so gone? Really, my friend, you be her face, see?
I don't know what you're talking about.
You don't know what I'm talking about.
Oh!
Y'all be having it.
Who be having it? That might be the movie we be watching sometimes.
Oh yeah. Y'all don't have a TV anymore.
We can watch. See,
Be careful, couples, parents, be careful. The kids are listening. Alright, now peeps, next video.
Hello, good morning. This is Nicole mother. I am very upset about this WhatsApp group because when I met the group and I send the message, I imagine me sick in the hospital and I call Nicole to ask Nicole, say, if she can do the work or if she have nobody to supervise her. When I send the work on the board like when they ask me if I could read. When they ask me if I could read, I'm very upset at everybody. I so when school open, I need to hold a meeting and I go down a ministry because it's unfair for when I send if I work on the road and if I don't know if I can read and I don't know if Nicole can read. And the time I say Nicole drop back in the school, I minute to the send this whole heap of bag of sitting on the something and I don't know if I can read for help the pitney. And that's why I said I don't have no respect for calling nobody and tell nobody and send them to nobody say, Nicole, you understand the work I ain't doing. I send the work like I don't think me can read. Me cannot read.
Bruh.
No one can spell my name. I'm telling you straight. And I'm going to ministry. Because I'm very upset. Nicole need to do paper and tell me say Nicole need help. And it's a social distance thing. And I just keep on sending the heap of 50 something work and you know, ask me say if me have WhatsApp or me a work or anything. I'm very upset because I'm going into ministry and I'm carrying the Nicole book and I'm coming down to the school and I don't like it. I'm very upset. Every morning they come and see this heap of bag of work and this something. The pitney can't read, the pitney not nobody for help. When you now call in and ask the pitney can't help himself. When you just sit down and send this bag of work. Me very upset. My name Kadian Davis. So if you don't want to get to me, you don't have my number, you go dig up my file. I'm very upset. This heap of work, Zoom and them something, the people don't know how to do it. I'm not a computer mother. I don't have anybody for me and I cannot read. I can't do my spell right. Oh!
Alright peeps, so here my views on the whole matter. Why the marriage thing there? My thing is, let me share a 1-2 thing as a man. Before you go propose, have a little, you know, on and off. You know, you put that little thing there with her and say, yeah man, about marriage and all them things there first. And yo, how she feel or how he feel first about the thing. Then you pop the question. You know what I mean? Yeah. And then for some people, they don't like the excitement. You know what I mean? So do it in a private. But if you're gonna do it in public, you know, you can have a little 1 and 2 conversation with them first. Not serious, just joke and say, oh, about marriage and feel it out and then and there you will know if you have to do it to save yourself the embarrassment. I really feel sorry for that youth that's still that rough. What a marriage thing they got. But anyway, the Michael Jackson thing they're sick. I'm in the way. I'm in the way. And that lady there, miss, you need to go learn how to read a little bit so they can spell right. Yeah man, you need to, they can help you that a little bit, you know what I mean? You need to, that rough. But anyway peeps, comment down below and let me know what your thoughts about the whole thing. Alright peeps, and also remember my new channel, yeah, Sinus Entertainment. Head over there, go subscribe right now. Yeah, and I hope you guys laugh and get to joke because you know say laughter is good for the soul. Yeah. Link to my new channel down below. Comment down below. Big up on yourself. Thank you very much for watching and go on journey the boy. Ashoo!